Fiona. Today I want to show you one of my beauty secrets. It's a much healthier version than the old lash curler. So let me show you my life changer. The CALISI Beauty. The box includes the lash curler with 2 temperature settings, then the USB charging cable, by the way it comes fully charged, and it comes with a cute little brush so you can clean it after each usage. As you can see, it has a very sleek design. Press the power button once to turn on with 65 degrees. Press again to select 85 degrees. And it's ready to use once the red silicone turns white. The box is perfect to keep, so you can put everything in place where it belongs, and it's also great for traveling. It can be used on natural lashes for a no makeup look, but for the best results, with a better effect and a long-lasting curl effect, is it better when you use it with a mascara. By the way, make sure the mascara is dry before you use the CALISI Beauty Curler. It's very easy to use. You can create your desired shape. Today I just want a naturally eye-opening look. The long-lasting curl holds up to 12 hours all day long. Important is that you hold it at least 10 seconds and repeat that multiple times. Try out what works the best for you. Maybe I will show you the next time the cat eye look. Did I already tell you that the CALISI Beauty Curler has a great battery life? You can use it between 15-20 times before you need to charge it again. Gentle heat feels comfortable using and is totally safe. It also has a safety automatic switch off function after 5 minutes. So level up your lash game and add the CALISI curler to your beauty routine. You feel the difference and see the results. Thanks for watching, much love!